Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily reading, Capricorn, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So I will be picking two cards from another deck. So the first card is your first choice and the first reading. The second card is the second choice and the second reading. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about it before making that choice of cards, guys. So, first, let's start with your daily reading, Capricorn. It's Four of Spears, Chariot, and Neophyte of Moons in reverse. So, these are the cards for your daily reading, guys. So, Capricorn, today in your situation, you are having people who are quite jealous of you. They are envying your position, or some people they may try to use you by flattering you. So, they want to maybe get something from you. So, they are flattering you and trying to make things work for their benefit, guys. And I also see that you are quite successful in your career situation. So that may be the reason for people being really jealous. So in your career, you need to be really careful, guys. So if you feel that you cannot trust some people, you have to stay away from them. And whatever are troubles, maybe from this person or however your situation is going, guys, I see you are going to overcome all these stressful situations and you will find that perfect balance and harmony in your heart, peace of mind for yourself, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, in your situation today. So let's see what are the other cards for your love reading. So it's going to be like a pick a card reading. So I will be picking two cards, guys. So you can think about your situation, what you need to know, and then choose the card. So that way this reading will answer your questions, guys. So that is the first card and this is the second card. So Capricorn, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So let's see what is the card. Sun. So with this card, guys, for those who chose this card, it just means that you are moving towards that positive, meaningful connection. You share that greater understanding with them, and whatever decisions you are making today, that will turn out right. Your dreams are going to manifest, and you are really happy to be with this person, and this person is also really happy to be with you. So that is what I see with this card. So it is a positive connection, guys. So let's see what is the other card for those who chose this card. Page of Air. So with this card in your situation, guys, for those who chose this card, maybe you are in a new love, in a new relationship, and you may not know what this person is. So some kind of curiosity is there. So, or they may have this curiosity towards you. They want to know everything about you, and they are having that desire to know you and understand you. So that is what I see, guys. So if you are open to a new relationship, you may be finding someone interesting and you will try to find everything about them, curious about them. Or if you are already in a relationship, you may be seeing some things new about them and you are finding this person really interesting. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.